Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Eric. This week's PPF Pro tip, it's impromptu. I'm doing the front bumper paint protection film install on this Mazda CX-5, and I'm gonna go over how to deal with air underneath the film. As you can see, this bumper is quite curved in multiple different directions, and we've got some big fingers over here, lots of air behind the film that we need to deal with. And if you don't know what to do, this can be pretty tricky to deal with. So I'm gonna go over that in this video. So right now, first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to pull the film back, and I'm just going to get a bunch of slip solution behind it. I'm going to get some slip solution on the top of the film as well. Before I start trying to maneuver the film into place, all I'm going to do is just with my hands, I'm going to try and massage all this air out from behind the film. It's so simple, but it's often overlooked by people when they're first learning to install paint protection film. It's just, how do you deal with all the air? Because right now, I got those fingers gone. I got all the air out of there, minus these tiny little bubbles, but those are irrelevant. Now that I got that down, installing this isn't really going to be much of a problem. So to get rid of these fingers up here, I'm going to have to stretch up to this corner. Get my tack solution there, stretch it into place. I'm going to hold that there. There we go. And you can see that those fingers are gone. And the film will kind of, if you know where to stretch and you know how to massage all the air out, the film will start to set itself into place, and it'll make these installations go a whole lot easier. So I hope you guys found some value in that. If you did, let me know down in the comments section. And thanks a lot for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. If you did, make sure you leave a like, leave a comment down below with what your thoughts are on the video and whether you have some constructive criticism or any other suggestions what you would like to see in future videos. And make sure you subscribe to the channel and stay tuned for more PPF content. Now before you go, I just want to let you guys know, us at Drive Protected, we just launched our own car care line. So if you head over to driveprotected.shop, I'll have the link in the description of this video. You can check out our new amped all-purpose cleaner, megawatt foam soap, and our recharge ceramic detailing spray. Make sure you use code PROTECTED and you will save 20% on your order. Thanks again.